Good day. Once again, welcome to my channel, CC Sharing Space. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and comment. Thank you so much. Today, I want to speak about the role of laughter and humor in a relationship. Humor and laughter is very important as a person because it actually makes you less stressful, it alleviates stress, it also makes you more sociable. So, humor and laughter in a relationship is very important because it also alleviates the pressure within your relationship. It makes you enjoy your company more. So, it's important for a couple to sit together and then enjoy so called jokes and speak lightly about things in their lives. Because if we always constantly stressing and serious, we cause more stress in our lives. So, and also, humor also helps to solve problems but sometimes we think takes problems very seriously. We always like focusing on the problem, not realizing that life is not to be always taken serious. So maybe if you just relax and think about your problem, then you can find a solution because then your stress levels have dropped and your blood pressure is lower. So humor is then a very healthy practice. Couples I know in West Africa do a lot of activities like going to comedy clubs, watching comedy videos to relax and then bring more relaxation in and enjoyment in their relationship. Because life will always have challenges, and challenges is what make us grow as people. So if we have to focus only on our problems and our challenges and not learn to relax and have time to have a break and relax, then we will be very unhappy people. The idea in life is to make your life better. Making your life better and improving your lifestyle is meaning that you need to also include some humor in your lifestyle, in your day-to-day activities. Because in life, there's always something to joke about, something to laugh about, something to be joyous about. So that is why comedy is very important, especially in the time of the lockdown. A lot of people were using humor, making humorous videos online to try and alleviate this whole serious concept of being locked in one place and can't move around socially and freely. That is why it's important that we have humor in our lives because it makes us better people, it makes us better friends, better lovers, better husbands, better siblings. It just makes us generally better people if we're more light-hearted and willing to laugh all the time, right? Not all the time, but most of the time, because life shouldn't be taken too serious. Okay, so again, the benefits of humor is humor and laughing and light-heartedness is for your health, is for your relationships, it's for your total development as a person. You get less sickness, because stress causes sickness, so it helps you to alleviate your sicknesses, right? It helps you to alleviate your issues that are really stressful, so you can laugh and joke about certain things. I know that at the time when the problem is there and you're trying to solve the problem, it's not as funny as it can be when afterwards, when you now evaluated the situation and see how you reacted. And then you think that no, maybe I reacted too harshly. I should have been more light-hearted about the situation. Because in life, there's always a solution for everything. And I think as people, we generally take everything too serious. Okay, because there's life-threatening issues like viruses and other things, pandemic and all the other stuff that scares us. And we take it so serious. Like, for example, when I used to go to, during the level 5 lockdown we had in the country, and I go shopping with my husband and I'm wearing my mask. Right? I always think, I feel like the one of those characters in the movies. One of the movies where the character is wearing a mask, is going to rob a bank or something. I felt like that, like crooks and robbers or something like that. And it's to make me smile. It's to make me feel more better about my situation because it's not comfortable wearing a mask. It's not comfortable blocking your nose and your mouth. It's not something desirable. So what I used to do to alleviate my stress, I used to think about something funny, linked to this whole situation, that kind of thing. So it's important for us to find ways of alleviating our stress by using humor and laughter and be light-hearted and be like children. A child can laugh at anything. That's why children don't die of heart disease unless it's chronic and the child was born with a defect heart. However, children are generally more enjoy easygoing people, easygoing and enjoying life because they don't have all the stresses of life. So as we grow up and when we become spouses and husbands and stuff like partners, all the stresses of life makes our lives more difficult. That's why we need to find ways to alleviate these stresses, like relaxing. Even meditation works. If you know, like it's different type of meditation you can practice to relax yourself, and also you can watch movies, you can read comic books, you can you can do a lot of things to relax yourself and also to be lighthearted. But the focus always should be to better your lifestyle, and better your health. Okay, thank you so much for taking your time for tuning into this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you.